guys, it's Mike and Susan. We're here in Big Bear, California, Hanna Flat Camp Ground for the weekend. This is our campsite. There's Christina's tent. There's Christina sitting over there at the table. This is actually a hike-in spot in the campground. It's like one of the only hike-in campsites. Sorry for the glare. Where you see we're in our Rite compact cot tent. We're both sleeping on Trekology UL80 pads, sleep mats. Mine's green, Susan's is blue. Susan's got the aluft pillow. I've got the aluft 2.0 pillow, which has got a strap to hold it to your air mattress. And we're both sleeping in Outdoor Vital 20-degree quilts. And Christina is, she's got her 20-degree quilt and her thermal rest air pad. A nice little setup here. North face tent. Not sure what the name of it is, but it's a nice little tent. It's crowded here this weekend. We have there's a Renaissance fair going on this weekend. There's a Jeep event going on this weekend. So it's pretty busy here. But it's nice. As you can see, we're in the trees. They're really big trees. Hey guys, we got some salmon cooking. We got a little guest here. We got Donny from Hike to Be Human.
Are you actually doing the business?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And we got Kathy over here, his wife. Okay, there you go. Just getting everybody eating. Mine's gone already. I'm not a sponsor, but if you want to, you could.
It's super annoying.
Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. Our quick little overnighter in Big Bear at Hanna Flats. We got Christina's tent, our tent. Here's Christina and Susan. Nice,
Good morning.
nice big bear boxes up here. It's a beautiful morning, except for the car horns. And there are lots of people here. There's smoke from all the campfires. I mean, it's a pretty cool campground. Be prepared. Bring toilet paper. Sunday morning, and there's like no toilet paper in the bathrooms.
Yes, memory.
Okay, guys. This morning's breakfast is going to be hash browns and omelets in a bag. I guess Christina's cooking.
Kind of.
Mom's cooking.
We both are.
Camp's all cleaned up. Tents are taken down. It's getting warm out already. Hey guys, check this out. Omelet in a bag. First time doing something like this. It's got egg, sausage
Sausage
and
and ham.
ham
And cheese.
and cheese. Looks pretty good. It's all nice and pretty. We got some hash browns over here. Christina's already done. You guys gonna see me eat my burrito or my omelet. Omelet. Not bad. So what do you think of the omelet, Susan?
It's good. I'm still enjoying it.
Oops, sorry about that. It's getting really quiet here. Hey guys, we're here in Big Bear still. We're at a juniper point. We're here to check out the lake. It's pretty full. Show you what the lake looks like. This is Big Bear Lake. And we are on the north side. The lake hasn't been this full in a long time. Wow, it is full.